So as you see, this truck doesn't start, and that's because it doesn't read the key. First thing I need to do is to check these two wires just under the ignition switch to see if I have power on them. These two wires are well, it seems that I don't have power on this pink wire, this 99125. This wire starts from the FIFIR computer, which is located in the fuse box area. In the left side of the fuse box, you will see some computers. The FIFIR is the first from the upper side. Oh, and I almost forgot. And the pink wire 99125, you will find it in the white plug. And now I will take another wire and mount it directly from the FIFIR to the key reader, which it looks like this. Thank you for watching. If you find my video useful to you, please hit that subscribe and like button. See ya!